Flashback time.
Hello people, welcome back to Play with Art. Hope you had a lovely vacation. In today's video, we're going to we're going to paint a piece of cake. We are going to start off with a rough sketch, which I have already drawn. Today, I'm going to paint a chocolate cake. If you wish, you can also paint a strawberry cake and any other flavor you like. So choose your colors accordingly. In this video, I would be choosing the shades of brown. At the top of the cake, you can also paint some fruits like strawberries and blueberries the way I am making them right now, or add some frosting and also whipped cream. Painting is all about mixing different colors together. In the top layer, I am mixing the shades of brown, that is very light one, and as well as a little bit of black to give it a dark chocolate color. In this video, I am using Camel Artist watercolor cakes, which you can buy easily from your nearby stationery shops. By the way, do you know the benefits of eating chocolate cake? Chocolate cake can improve your memory. It is good for our brain to be healthy. Also, it is good for our heart and circulation of blood. Consumption of chocolate cake lowers the risk of strokes. Now it's time to highlight our fruits and cake in order to give it a more realistic look. Believe me guys, I'm not good at it. You can also use a white jelly roll for this purpose. So with this, your sketch is ready. Happy sketching! If you like this video, please do subscribe us and hit that notification bell and always stay updated. Thank you for watching this video till the end. We will meet next week.